guys, let's just unpack on the news galore. Guys, unjani uMacG manje? Yazi uMacG uxakile guys. Umfishane ungaka, but akekho umuntu omjajayo. No one judges him, but he's always saying stuff about people. You know, the stuff that they say to people. The stuff that they say to people is crazy. How can uthi this is why umini Dlamini can't keep a man ngoba into yakhe iyanuka? Who even says those things, guys? Ngomkhaya wam. Who even says those things? Phela umini Dlamini before she bought a house that she bought for the parents. Why ihlala emlazi lo muntu lo? Why kade khulele khona? So why would you say that about her? Ungathanda wena kuthi uyanuka. Ngeke uzuthande, guys. Those are crazy things, guys. Yabona mase sesiya lapho. Sozoxashana futhi serious, guys. Kuzoxashana serious. Bekufanele nje ukuthi uMacG axolise kumini Dlamini. It's as simple as that, guys. It's very, very rude. Ukhuluma ngabantu, and mina, you've known how I've said in this channel so many times, ukuthi don't speak about people like you know them without their consent. You can't speak about people without their consent. You sit with them, you know them. It's crazy things, guys. Who even says that and then think it's right and then like, are we laughing right now? How could uMacG say this, guys? Like, I feel gave you enough. That's just my thing. I'm just like, every time I'm thinking about it, I'm just like, uMacG, you are joy rana, actually. How many successful women that you know in? So you cannot even be serious right now. How you join Nangablo? And in fish and at the time, Bamjala bat nekandel kulu. And wife akumula that guy. Abam tubula Uspaman Umuntu Galundi, London, ngoba sesombeka kanjalo, just as much as wayishayite no Amy from the Real Housewives of Durban. Why sukumlanda wathalalela wonke lo doti usho ngama cima mina zokukhahlela enoyizomkhahlela uthe seshonile wathi good riddance kade ngiyibuka ivideo yakho izolo good riddance akahambe leso sigebengu office gelekeqe uyisho kumshayi and abantu uzapha vele amkhahlela ngoba uMacG actually akakafaka impama that is why iphapha eyiphapazi. I've never seen umuntu ophapha kanje and ithina asimjudge sengakusho nje nami lokuthi umfishane because akusimina futhi engasho anyways nama idoba it somewhere. Abantu bamukwetela successful women. Are you like serious right now? Bayanuka. You cannot even be serious. I know someone who's 29 who has a PhD. Akanuki. Ngizele example. That person which means has been at school for over 10 years. To be honest, it's more than medicine. Hayibo, waze wadelela umuntu. And bam don't no Brian don't say what you have a problem with successful women when Kinga, no problem with them. I think that's why. And that's what's in the footing go Tyler. What to Tyler has no talent. You have no talent when MacG. So both Minnie and Dr. Brian bavele bamgive brothers, but you couldn't value on. MacG comes across as someone who be paying about women when you are staying with a woman. Crazy things like that, guys. We're not gonna allow this. This is crazy. He's crazy. This guy. I mean, I'm not gonna entertain him, Shem. At this point, I'm not going to. And someone was also saying on Twitter, "Oguti, who entertain wakakulu and uklanyiswa low 1 million subscribers." Yeah, no, all of that, please. It's not No, guys, with mini story, you went too far. I don't know what you guys think. Just let me know what you're thinking. Video. I thank you so much, guys, and over. The disrespect, I'm not going to allow.